Real gardening with Mark. Oh my God, this looks awful. Oh my God, how are we going to overwinter stuff? Yeah, this is not normal. It definitely runs. It's an absolute thug. It needs space. I wish I was as optimistic as you, Kris. Kris, you're showing off my failures. Tropical gardens aren't supposed to have failures on YouTube, Kris. I'm considering as a last resort taking a chainsaw to it. Deep pockets and short arms. What about right plant, right places? People are always amazed that it's a dandelion. No bushes have been trimmed in the making of this video. Said it before, I'll say it again, right plant, right place. Size doesn't matter in some cases, Kris.
No.
I'll move my vegetation out of the way for you. George is, as the crow flies, 8 miles away from here. And his died last year and he's not replaced it.
Yeah.
And yet this one didn't even defoliate, which I'm very pleased to say. Said it before, I'll say it again, right plant, right place.
Right plant, right